good morning.
Well, good morning, everybody. Uh-oh, about to hit that ditch.
All right, good morning. We're out here on the job site. I got Kyle with me. Hey, Kyle. So we're working on a French drain this morning, and folks got well, it's just a really wet yard. There's a pretty flat yard, and they are holding a lot of water up here by the house. So you can see we're gonna go from here behind the patio on around side of the house, and then we'll pick up and go on out to the drainage ditch at the road. Looks like we will be able to get about 1% fall in here, but that's it. It's flat and not going to be able to do a lot. But we'll keep you updated as we go, and we'll see you soon.
Well, we got the backyard French drain dug out. Oh, it sucked. It was all by hand. Got it under the fence. And we're working our way on down. My dad's digging it by hand down there. There's some pipes and stuff. We don't know exactly what it's from. Maybe a watering system for the yard that was put in a couple years ago. But we're working on it and it's getting done. All right, well, we got it all dug out. We got the pipe down. Halfway at least. Got the French drain done at least. About to lay some rocks, trying to figure out how to get the skid steer back here, get the rock back here. We just gotta lay the pipe there, lay rock over it, and I think we should be good. All right, so we got it all done. We're just backfilling everything now. Dad's on the excavator, pushing that dirt in. And we're about to wrap it up here in about an hour. So we got a lot done today. Got what we wanted to get done today. Well, good morning, everybody. I got my hands full this morning. So it's day 2. We got a couple things we got to get done today. Mainly gonna be focusing on the backyard and cleaning some of this stuff up. We got the drain, a French drain done yesterday. And now today we gotta focus on this backyard where, I'll show you. It's pretty low down in here. We're gonna fill all this in with some dirt. We're gonna go get some dirt here soon. And kind of fill all this in, put sod on it back here. And we're gonna take all that out back there, the tree, and a couple brush and saplings and stuff back there with the excavator. Get all that done, and more of a cleanup day and kind of make it look good day. So I'll keep y'all updated. All right, so went and got some dirt. Dad's gonna go pull around, back it in. We're gonna dump it over here and gonna use this dirt. We got about 5 yards worth of dirt, and we're gonna use it to fill in some low spots and then put the sod on top of that. Oh man, it was a lot of dirt. It was one, they had this, I mean, I'm talking huge bucket, and it was just one bucket full of dirt. But we're gonna dump it right over here at the end of the driveway in the grass. There's a low spot over here anyway, so any leftover we can just spread out and fill in over here too. So, but it would be easy access to get through this little gate with the wheelbarrow, because unfortunately we cannot fit this skid steer in the backyard. So we're gonna do what we can to get this filled in back here. So, all right, here he comes. We're gonna try and back up this trailer through, see what we can do. Oh, about to hit that ditch. About to hit that ditch. Let's help him out. So dirt's gonna go right over there, across the away from that gate. We're just gonna wheelbarrow it in through here. And this is all the dirt from just this little French drain that we did yesterday that we got out. And this is, I mean, it's not much, but it's a decent start. We're gonna fill on top of it, and you can even see, just not without even a level, the low spot here, and you can see how it is low right here, all through here. We're gonna fill all this in, and then in through here we're gonna move this and fill all this in too. But let's get this dirt dumped. How about that? So, backyard is mostly done. We got a couple touch-up spots to get done, but for everything that we've done by hand, it's all done. 99% of the way, at least. Back here, they're wanting an agility field for their dogs. So right now, my dad is scraping off the top layer of grass. And we got a bunch of rolls of sod that he's gonna lay down after he levels it out.